Friends, today we will see the hydrostatic forces acting on the inclined inert surfaces. In the previous lectures, we have seen hydrostatic forces acting on the vertical surfaces as well as horizontal surfaces. Here, there is a plane which is immersed at an angle to the pre-liquid surface. The angle made by this plane to the pre-liquid surface is theta. It is like this. The plane is inclined to the pre-liquid surface and the angle is theta degrees. If you see in the direction perpendicular to this plane, you will see the true shape of the plane. We have assumed it to be elliptical out here in this case. This is the CZ of the plate. The distance of CZ from the pre-liquid surface is known as x bar. And center of pressure is somewhat below the CG. Center of pressure of the hydrostatic forces on the plate is below CG. That point is known as CP. The distance of CP from the pre-liquid surface is h bar. The total pressure acting on the plate due to this liquid is given by the formula Wx bar. It is same for the horizontal as well as vertical surfaces as well as inclined surfaces. The total pressure on immersed surface, the formula is same. The center of pressure of the plate is given by the formula Ig sin square theta divided by Ax bar plus x bar, where Ig is the moment of inertia of the plate above the axis passing through the CG and parallel to the plane OO. And all other things remains same. We'll see by solving a problem. Here we'll solve a problem of a rectangular plate which is immersed at an inclined stage in the liquid. A plate of 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep is immersed in water such that the plate makes an angle of 30 degrees with the pre-liquid surface. We have to calculate the total pressure and center of pressure of the plate. It is also given that the upper edge of the plate is 1.5 meters from the pre-liquid surface. Accordingly, we have drawn the figure. The angle made by the plate with the pre-liquid surface is theta, that is 30 degrees. The upper edge of the plate is 1.5 meters from the pre-liquid surface. That also we have drawn here. X bar is the distance of CG of the plate from the pre-liquid surface, which we have shown here, and H bar is the distance of center of pressure of the plate from the pre-liquid surface. That also we have shown here. The area of plate will be 2 by 3, that is 6 meters square. Moment of inertia of the plate is BD cube upon 12. That comes out to be 1.5 meter raised to 4. Now we have to find out x bar for calculation of total pressure. We have given the distance of upper edge of the plate from the pre-liquid surface, that is 1.5 meters. This distance we have to find out so that we can calculate x bar. We know that the distance of upper edge from the pre-liquid surface is 1.5 meter. We have to find out this distance AC. AC plus 1.5 will be the x bar. So in this, we'll make a triangle here. The angle ACB is 90 degrees and this angle is theta, which is 30 degrees, which is given to us. So in this triangle, AC will be AC is equal to AB sin theta. AB is half of this distance. The full distance or full length is 3 meters. So AB will be 1.5. 1.5 multiplied by sin 30. It is sin 30 is 0.5. So 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 will be 0.75. So x bar comes out to be 1.5 plus 0.75, that is 2.5 meters from the free liquid surface. So total pressure on the plate now, put these values in the formula. P is equal to Wx bar. W is 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. A is area of the plate, that is 6 meters square. And x bar, just now we calculated, is 2.25 kilonewtons. This comes out to be 132.435 kilonewtons. Now, center of pressure of the plate is given by the formula H bar is equal to Ig sin square theta divided by x bar plus x bar. Ig we have calculated already here, which is 4.5 meter raised to 4. Put here. After putting all the values and calculating, we get the center of pressure as 2.3333 meters. Here we are given with a problem where we are given the distances of upper and lower edges of the circle, which is immersed into the water. We are not given with the angle. So we have to calculate the x bar, h bar and total pressure on the plate. Here a circular plate of diameter 3 meter is immersed in water such that its upper edge is 1.5 meters from the pre-liquid surface and its lower edge is 4 meters from the pre-liquid surface. Diameter is 3 meters. So you have to calculate the total pressure and center of pressure. Let A and B be the upper and lower edges of the circle. This is CG of the circle and this is center of pressure of the circle. The distance of point B from the pre-liquid surface is 1.5 meters. Distance of A from pre-liquid surface is 4 meters. Let us make a triangle ACB where C is angle C is 90 degrees and theta is the angle made by this plane with the free liquid surface. AB is equal to 3 meters, that is diameter of the circle. AC is equal to this total 4 meters minus this 1.5. 4 minus 1.4, it comes out to be 2.5. So sin theta is equal to AC divided by AB. AC divided by AB. AC is 2.5, AB is 3 meters, that is diameter of the circle. It comes out to be 0.833 sin value. Ig, that is moment of inertia, is equal to pi by 64 d raised to 4, where d is 3 meters. So the Ig comes out to be 3.976 meter raised to 4. So to calculate total pressure, we need W, A and X bar. X bar is the distance of the CG from the pre-liquid surface. It is 1.5 plus this distance. If you consider this circle, this right angle triangle, this distance is equal to AB sin theta. This distance is equal to AB sin theta. AB is 1.5, half of the diameter of the circle. So 1.5 plus 1.5 sin theta. We know the value of sin theta, that is 0.833. 1.5 plus 1.5 multiplied by 0.833, it comes out to be 2.74. Put this value here in the formula, you will get the total pressure 190.621 kilonewtons. To calculate the center of pressure of the plate H bar, we need to calculate Ig, which we have calculated here. Put all these values here, we will get the center of pressure.